गोयचे राजभवन हे देशांतले पयले राजभवन आसतले जंय बॉन्साय गार्डन सकल्ला। वाजान ल्हान झाड लावन ताचे मोठे झाड जावप म्हणल्यार बॉन्साय। बॉन्साय हो प्रकार जॅपनीज आसलो तरी ताचो सोद हो प्राचीन भारतीय आयुर्वेद तज्ञांनी लायला। हे खातीर गोयचे राज्यपाल PS श्रीधरन पिल्लय हाणें राजभवनांत पयलीच फावट ह्या गार्डनाची स्थापणूक केल्या।
गोयच्या राजभवनातले हे बॉन्साय गार्डन हांगा येवप्यांचे आकर्षण थारला। राज्यपाल PS श्रीधरन पिल्लय हांणी ह्या गार्डनाची स्थापना केल्या। बॉन्साय हो शब्द जापानीज आसलो तरी लेगीत अशा प्रकारचे झाड तयार करपाचे पयले काम आयुर्वेद तज्ञांनी प्राचीन भारतात सुरू केल्ले। अशा झाडांच्या उद्यानांक वामन वृक्ष उद्यान म्हणतात।
Bonsai garden, it is started in front of our Rajbhavan, and its name is also derived from Indian ethos and our Puranas and other our ancient texts. That Vamana Vriksha Kala Udyan. First time a Vamana Vriksha Kala Udyan started in any part of the country. In Rajbhavan also first time. So with a specific purpose we started it. Because bonsai is a term originated from not from India but from outside. Japan and China are concerned as they are doing the business of exporting this bonsai to other parts of the world. Actually it is originated from India and it was an art in India. That is why called Vamana Vriksha. Vamana Vriksha is short. Vamana Vriksha Kala, and we started Vamana Vriksha Kala Udyan. So through that process, when we had occasion to go through the original text, we found that this was started in India as a part of our medical system, Ayurveda and other systems. In port, we had the device of this short type of big trees. They are put in a pot and spread, and its Ayurvedic value, medicinal value was used by us.
राजभवनातल्या या बॉन्साय गार्डनात वेगवेगळ्या तरेची 72 वखदी झाडां आसात। फुडारात हांगा आनिकूय झाडां हाडपाची मोख राज्यपालान दवरल्या।
And from India, ancient Bharat, the Buddhist people, through Buddhist monks and people and its propagators, went to China and Japan and other places. Now China is exporting maximum according to my information, and Japan is also, the term also, I am told that, I am not sure about it, bonsai is originated from Japan, but the pioneer in this field, it is our own Bharat, and it's originated from Bharat. My idea is that the largest garden, I mean bonsai and all items are there. Different types of bonsai from other parts of the world, and this will become an attractive center of tourists, those who are interested in these types of things.
चीन आणि जपान मधल्या बॉन्साय झाडांक सध्या मोठ्या प्रमाणात मागणी आसा। केरळ सारख्या राज्यात लेगीत व्हडा प्रमाणात बॉन्साय झाडांचो व्यवसाय करतात। ते खातीर आयुर्वेद आणि वनस्पती शास्त्रांच्या अभ्यासकांक खातीर हे गार्डन महत्वाचे थारला। वर्षा आश्वेकारा सयत ब्युरो रिपोर्ट, गोमंतक TV।